So we are going to understand that question paper we had on Sunday. Okay, this question paper is on which chapter? Material, metal, and non-metal. Yes.
Metals and non-metals.
Yes. So this is the last paper of our chapter because by next test or next Sunday we are going to have test on microorganisms. Okay, so that's why we are having only 10 questions in it because we have covered almost all the questions which is generated by topper. Yes.
Sir, actually, when is the FA in Chanakya, sir? FA1?
Yes, beta.
When is the first annual exam, sir?
I am not aware about this. I am just getting weekly schedule.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, now onwards in quizzes, you will also take quizzes.
Probably, but first we had to cover. See, we are having this test like our syllabus. We are having very important concept in it. So conceptual syllabus taking very long time. Is it or not?
No, sir, like Pallav asked now, that's why I
On
confirm.
quizzes, will think about it. Okay, but not
Okay,
this
sir.
week. Not this week. Okay. So first we have to discuss the first question. It says metal are generally hard. Which of the following metal is an exception
Sodium.
and can be cut with knife? Yes. So it is the sodium. It is a soft metal. It is as soft as you can cut with the knife like vegetable. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So,
Yes. So it is really very easy one. Zoya just came.
Sir, sodium is an alkali metal, but still it is very soft. So is it not that dense also?
Yes. Now, next
Okay.
question. Which of the following non-metals react and catches fire on exposed to air? Hydrogen.
Phosphorus.
Oh,
Yes,
oh,
sir.
sorry. Yes, phosphorus.
Yes, sir. Phosphorus.
Yes, phosphorus. Phosphorus. First is option for that.
Sir, hydrogen explodes, no, sir, in
Yes.
your sun.
Yes. When it comes in contact with air, see, most of the time what happens, the sodium metal, when we will drop in a water, it reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide. That time hydrogen gas is liberated, and when that hydrogen gas comes in contact with air, it catches fire very strongly, and it like in explosion. It is like in explosion.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, hydrogen gas is found near sun, no, sir.
Sun, hydrogen as well as helium, both the gases.
Yes, sir. So because of those only explosion happens in near the sun.
Yes, that at the sun itself. That's why tremendous amount of heat energy, heat and light energy is generated on sun.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going to discuss the third question. It says metal generally reacts with dilute acid. Yes, to produce hydrogen gas. Yes. Which one of the following metal does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid? So that will be less reactive metal.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we have magnesium, no.
Copper is
aluminum.
less.
Yes,
Copper is less than also.
copper. Yes, copper is there. It is very less reactive. It is in least reactive. Okay. So you
Yes.
had to compare all the four options, which one is most reactive and which one is least reactive. So least reactive will be the answer for that. Okay. Yes. Fourth question. Which of the following is not metal? Uh-oh. Copper is metal, sulfur is non-metal, aluminum is metal, iron is metal. So sulfur is option B.
Yes, sir.
Really very easy it was.
Yes, sir.
Now, fifth question. The substance which will be flattened on beating with hammer is metal, and it will be metallic part, and its property is called as malleability. We have already gone through that. So crystal of iodine, no.
Zinc granule.
Lump of sulfur, no. Piece of coal, no. Zinc granules, yes, zinc granules.
Zinc granule.
Yes, because zinc is a metal. So if you will, with pen, like if you will hammering on it, so it will convert into the thin sheet. Okay, because zinc is a metal and which have the malleability property. You know, malleable.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Meeting finished.
yes, yes. Sixth question we are going to discuss now.
False.
All
False.
metals exist in solid form at a room temperature. No, because
False.
No,
at
because
Mercury.
mercury is a liquid
mercury
metal.
is a metal and which is present in liquid state at a room temperature. So it is false. If it is true and false, so it is false. Yes, B is the correct option. We have seventh question. It says phosphorus is
Very
very
reactive, sir.
reactive.
Reactive.
non-reactive.
Reactive.
Because
Very
when
reactive.
we will expose to air, it starts burning. Okay.
That is
Sir, from the mark last year
Sir,
only,
the
sir.
answer.
Yes, reactive.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
So instead of writing reactive, I wrote very again. So I lost the mark.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, the next
Huh?
one is water, sir. The
When
next question
sulfur
answer is water.
dioxide. Okay. When sulfur dioxide, it is SO2. It dissolved in water.
Water.
Okay.
H2O.
Sulfurous acid is formed.
H2O.
Dissolved in
Sir, I
water.
wrote
Yes.
H2O.
Water or
Sir, I
H2O.
wrote H2O water. I wrote H2O or water.
Hmm. So it's water.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we have the ninth question. It says the sulfurous acid turns. It is literal
Red
say
litmus.
Red
Yes.
litmus. Blue
Red.
to red. Blue to red.
This is a
Blue
base.
to
Blue to
red.
red.
Blue to
Yes.
red, sir.
No. You have to remember
Sir,
A.
As I said, it will be blue to red.
Yes, you have to remember ABR. Acid turns blue litmus to red. So blue to red.
Sir, because it's an acid.
Yes, blue litmus paper to red. So let's see blue and
Sir,
red will
and
be the
BRB, right, sir? BRB.
BRB
Basic will turn.
and BRB and ABR. So it is sulfur. When sulfur, we are discussing about which question? Ninth one, na? Yes. Sulfurous acid. If it is acid, then ABR. Acid will turn blue litmus to red. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Sir,
option
it
will
will
be.
maintain red litmus to red only, na, sir?
Sir, but we should write blue litmus to red. We cannot.
Yes, sir. It will turn red to red, but red to red is not called as turned. It will remain same.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So blue and red is the
Blue to
option.
red.
Yes. Now 10th, last but not the least. The
Oxygen.
name of the product formed in the reaction of sulfur and blank
Oxygen.
is
Oxygen.
sulfur
Oxygen.
dioxide.
Oxygen.
Yes, oxygen.
It's oxygen, sir.
Yes.
So
it's
because
oxygen.
dioxide.
Yes. So here we have completed. The questions was really very easy. Everyone would have scored 100% marking, but only 10 student has got 100% marking.
Sir, what is superhydrochloric knife, sir? What is superhydrochloric knife?
Sir, some questions I have got, I have put correct answers, but it was showing that I didn't put an answer on it.
After clicking the option, you had to save that, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Save.
I pressed the save.
Save and next.
Okay, Pallav, you are asking
Yeah.
something.